This is a 2007 Toyota Corolla. I've got it lifted up on one side for one quick and easy repair that I'm going to show you. Okay, so what you're looking at now is the windshield wipers and the windshield washer. You see it's squirting out fluid. Well, there's nothing more irritating than no wiper fluid. Of course, you want to check that your wiper fluid reservoir has something in it first. Then if it does have water or some kind of washer fluid in it, then you want to check that none of the hoses that go from here to the squirter are loose or broken. And then if those all look okay, it comes down to this windshield washer pump. Okay, this end of the pump feeds into the reservoir, this big end. This narrow nozzle feeds into a little hose that goes up to the squirters, and this is the electrical connection for the power to this pump. And these pumps do go bad, but they're very easy to replace. I'm going to show you how. So to get to the pump, you jack up the car, peel back the wheel well liner after taking off the wheel, obviously, and then this is where the pump is located, right there. And you can just pull it right out of its rubber gasket. It comes right out, and then replacing it is super simple. All that you need to know is where it is and how to pull it out, which is just by tugging outward. That's all it takes. Then disconnect the hose and disconnect the electrical connector, and you're done. In case that you're one of these people that needs to have everything brand new, this is the part number for the pump: 85330-12340. And I'll put a link where you can purchase these pumps at a discount online. But there's millions of these pumps just sitting in junkyards, and these pumps are the same for almost every Toyota vehicle. So just run down to your junkyard and get one, or buy one on eBay, have it delivered to your door, and just install it, and you'll be squirting again in no time at all. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it gets you back to squirting just like a rock star, which is how everybody should be squirting. You can see the big wet spot there under the car from where some of the washer fluid leaked out when we pulled the pump from the reservoir. And let us know if you have any questions relating to any of your squirting needs.